Okay guys, somebody said how to make colored popcorn. So today we are going to make the brown one, which is chocolate. How to make chocolate popcorn. Let's go. So you like it? So when you measure out your oil, you're going to pour 1.5 cup. I'm going to pour 1.5. So I'm going to measure out 1.5 cup of oil. I'm going to add it. I'm going to add 1.5 cup. I'm going to use 1.5 cup of oil. Because you have measured the oil, allow it to more. So one break by the oil, then we measure as you are. Keep tight. So now you add your corn. Add your corn. At this time, you are going to be really fast. Then you turn it. Remember, you don't have this type of pot. You always carry it. Because you have done it, then you add it. That is 1.5 cup of corn. Remember, this thing I added 2 then we turn it. Like I said before, you have popcorn pot. Always carry it up and shake. Then you add your flavor. This is milk flavor and vanilla mixed together. Just add small quantity. And then you turn. When you turn it like this, you wait and listen. If you don't have this machine, I'm still saying it, just carry it up and shake. Once it starts popping, carry it up and shake. Then you put it down. But if you have this machine, can you hear the sound? Can you hear the sound?
Loud and clear.
Loud and clear. Always remember, if you don't have this pot, just once you are hearing koto, you carry it up and shake it very well. And when you stop hearing that, if you're hearing it just small, one, you do what? You off your gas. Carry it down.
Don't go spoil person.
Then you add your milk immediately. While the popcorn is still hot, add your milk.
Then you shuffle.
And so, here we go. Look at our chocolate bottle. Can you see it? Look at our chocolate bottle. Ready for sale. Please go and try your own. Make your own. Make sure you tell us how it is.